saw today after that sorry loss against Meralco?
I thought in the effort, I think the biggest difference was our players like Calvin now is plus 15 from minus 14 the last time. And that's a big difference. Brandon Rosser, well, at least now is a plus 3, was minus 16 the last time. So those two turnarounds were huge right away for our team. But to be very honest, we're still very far from competing against the better teams in this league. We have such a lot to work on, so much more we need to improve on as well.
Thank you, Coach Chot. Now we would like to open the floor for Friends for the Press.
Coach, congratulations. Yung nga mention nga na wala pa kayo dun sa level na gusto nyo. In this game, you were holding big leads, then si Terapirma, piyaw-piyaw, bumabalik.
Yeah, exactly. This team out-rebounded us. They're not among the biggest teams in the league, and still they out-rebounded us. So we keep talking about that. I think trying to remind the players about putting in sustained effort for 48 minutes. But the reality is, like I said, we're still far from that level, and I hope we can pick it up because the competition in this tournament, this conference is very tough. So we still have to play Magnolia and Ginebra. All those tough teams are still lurking there. Phoenix, Converge, lalakas pa ng mga naiiwan, Blackwater. So this next game, this Macau team, dami pang malakas na team, and the way we're playing doesn't. Like I said, we have so much more to work on.
Coach, good evening. Coach, so far, how do you assess yung performance ni Ball 5 games into the conference?
I think the good thing today was that he shot his free throws better, but he still has a lot. We still have a lot to work on with him defensively. He gives us that shot blocking presence, but he still has way too many lapses on defense. Not sprinting back on position, not calling out screens for his teammates. Again, the good thing is he's very open to suggestions, and he's very open to coaching, and hopefully we can get to a level little by little where we can get up to speed to the kind of defense that we want.
So far, Coach, wala namang toyo o
Wala, he's been he missed one practice when he had food poisoning before our Meralco game. Hindi siya naka-practice kasi tinamaan siya ng food poisoning. But other than that, he hasn't missed any practice. Hasn't been a problem, and he's always been telling his teammates, if you see me doing something wrong, let me know, tell me. So he's very open to coaching and to communication from his teammates. But that being said, there's still a lot for him to learn. There's still a lot for him to improve on, especially on the defense.
Coach, si Ball in terms of offensive game tonight, parang there was may conscious effort sa kanya na hindi na pipilitin, and like what he did dun sa corner 3 ni Octana late in the game.
Yes, even from the start, our shooters got a lot of open looks. It's now incumbent upon them to knock it down. The same thing with Meralco. How many open looks did Calvin and Roger and Ray got, and they just couldn't knock down those open threes. So, like I said, there's still so much to be done in terms of work for our team, because we have to get better as a whole.
Coach, you will be facing Blackwater next, which is one of the most dominant team coach in Robert Top Show. Just what's going on your mind as far as matchup with options concerned?
Yeah, that's a very good point. We haven't really paid attention to them yet because we had full focus on the two games that we had this week. So now we have to take a look and figure out how to stop a guy like that. But Blackwater is more than Option. It's their field is playing very well. Christian David is playing very well. Alf Panopio, so they have some real talent on that team. And again, it's going to be a real test for us, for our defense, to be able to stop a team that can score like Blackwater.
But Taylor State overall.
Yeah, narinig ko nga. So ano na ba? So again, that's another thing. I'm sure they're going to be doing some new things. We all know how good the coach Pat is. In situations like this, teams normally respond very well. They respond positively to a new voice, a new face. So again, we have to be at our best to be able to compete.
Okay, congratulations
Thank you.
to winning coach John Grace.
Hey, coach.